Today we will have a look how to change your WordPress site title and tagline. First of all, we need to understand why this is important. WordPress site title and tagline shows on your tab bar. As you can see here in my case, WordPress theme just another WordPress site. So WordPress theme is the title and just another WordPress site, this is the tagline. So it shows here, and it's also very important for SEO of your WordPress website. So suppose I am searching here WordPress theme, and you can see a lot of website suggestion has come, and this is the title, 2023's best WP themes, this is the title, and this is the premium website templates, this is the tagline. So in every website there is a title and there is a tagline. So we will check how you can change your own website title and tagline. So for changing this, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard like I have done here, and then you need to go to settings, then click on general, and you can see here site title. So we'll change to WordPress theme to WP theme hut, and in the tagline we'll change to your ultimate WordPress destination, and we'll scroll down and click on save changes. And if we go on our real website now and give a refresh here, you can see here our WordPress title and tagline has been successfully changed. And you can also check here WP theme hut, your ultimate WordPress destination, or you can check here at the tab bar WP theme hut, your ultimate WordPress destination. So thank you very much. See you in our next video.